It's been a day of dramatic developments here in the national capital. It also ended on a dramatic note with Delhi Law Minister Jitendra Singh Tomar finally resigning after he was arrested this morning by the Delhi police in connection with the fake degree case. Charges of cheating, conspiracy, fraud and forgery have been slapped on Tomar, and the Delhi police have been granted his custody for 4 days. The Aam Aadmi Party has termed the arrest a conspiracy. Tomar says he decided to resign as he didn't want to embarrass his party.
सरकार केंद्र की सरकार बीजेपी की सरकार और ये सब लोग हैं।
क्यों करी जाए साजा आपके खिलाफ?
तो आपको सारा पता है। ठीक
Manju sir, we don't want to arrest the party or as well as anything, and we have a full faith on the judicial system.
All right, and tracking all those developments for us is my colleague Ketki Angre. Ketki, as I just mentioned there, the day had begun on a dramatic note. It's ended on a dramatic note with Jitendra Tomar's resignation. All day, of course, we saw the Aam Aadmi Party and the centre hurling accusations at each other. What prompted Tomar eventually to put in his papers?
Well, certainly it has been a day of dramatic developments, and with Jitendra Tomar now finally putting in his resignation also being accepted by Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi. Really, the whole thing comes full circle, but the battle is certainly not over. This continues to be seen as a fight between the centre and the Delhi Aam Aadmi Party government, and this is something that even Jitendra Tomar made it very clear, even when he spoke just outside AIIMS Hospital after that medical test was conducted on him, saying that this is being done at the behest of the Narendra Modi-led government. He will come clean out of it, and he also feels that it was time for him to resign because he didn't want his party's image to be sullied any further because of these allegations. So certainly this is something that we're going to see play out in the days ahead as well. But for now, the police getting 4 days custody of Jitendra Tomar, and this is a 4-day custody that they sought specifically to take him to different parts of the country where these colleges were, from where he was allegedly he got those fake degrees. So he'll probably travel to Bihar as well as Awadh in Uttar Pradesh. So that's the 4 days for Jitendra Tomar, even as this issue between the centre and the Delhi government is only set to escalate. Yeah.
Right, Ketki. Clearly, this slugfest has been getting uglier with every passing hour. We'll have to wait and see what tomorrow brings. Thanks very much for bringing us all those details. And let's in fact now listen into what Manish Sisodia, the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, had to say.
थोड़ी देर पहले जितेंद्र तोमर जी ने अपना इस्तीफा मुख्यमंत्री जी को भेजा है और मुख्यमंत्री जी ने उसे स्वीकार कर लिया है और उसको राज्यपाल महोदय को भेज देंगे कल सुबह। तो क्योंकि अभी जो कुछ हुआ है उसके बाद उन्होंने अपना इस्तीफा खुद ही भेजा है।